Let's make an outfit for the salon. Flare pants, t-shirt with a bag, and lime green socks, and a white cardigan. This necklace, this bracelet, and this ring. This bag. There are little things in my bag, so I have to add more things. Okay, time to restock my bag. Afro nail scissors, nail cutter, bracelets, butterfly hair clip, Kenya bracelet where I'm from, lip liner, lip band. This was in my first video. Bandana, this bag with all my jewelry and makeup. Yep. And now my bag is all packed and ready for the salon with my outfit.